Hey Mustangs! My name's Tyson Jeffus and I'm one of the assistant principals at Myers Park High School. Come with me for a tour. This is our main office and student services building. Now to enter this building you have to press the button and then wait for the door to click. They'll let you in, but you'll come here if you're called for the main office or if you're called to student services, maybe to see a counselor.
Hello, welcome to Myers Park High School. My name is Liz James and I'm the Senior Admin Secretary. This is the main office and we're here to help you. Please don't hesitate to call 980-343-5800. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Allison Davis and I'm the Assistant Principal of Instruction at Myers Park High School. My primary roles include working with the master schedule, working with our Student Services and Counseling Department, working with our Instructional Leadership Council and Department Chairs, and working with 12th graders and discipline. Thank you very much and welcome to Myers Park High School.
So now off to the math building. Now from our front circle, we have the math building in the quad behind us. We also have the SC building to the right, and then we're going to take a trip to the gym. So come on. Here we have our old gym and our new gym, as well as the entrance to the World Language Hall of the SC building, right here.
Hi, I am Brian Poore, the Athletic Director at Myers Park. I would like to welcome back our sophomores, juniors, and seniors to the park, and welcome to our new freshman class. Myers Park has a great tradition of athletics, and I hope you have the opportunity to be a part of that tradition. Your first priority is to work extremely hard in the classroom. If I can be of any assistance to any of you, please come see me in my office, which is located in the upper part of the old gym, and my office number is number 1. I hope you all have a great year. Go Mustangs.
This is the entrance to the Student Center building, or the SC building, and this specific hall is all of our world language classes. There's another SC entrance which I'll take you to, which will take you to the math part of the SC building and our art gallery and cafeteria. So let's go. This is our cafeteria, and come with me to the S building. This is the Social Studies building, and this is also where my office is. As you're leaving the Social Studies building towards the quad, you will see the auditorium on your left. Let's head past the auditorium to the upper quad and to the back of campus. This is the LA building, and inside the LA building we have Parkit, which is like our media center, and we also have a few administrators which you'll get to meet as well.
All right. Hello, Myers Park families, students. My name is Justin Holt, Mr. Holt. I am one of the assistant principals, and so I hope to see you guys very soon.
Let's go across the quad to the set building. This is our set building, Science, Engineering, and Technology.
Hello Myers Park families, my name is Mrs. Richards. I hope everyone's doing well and I look forward to finally meeting everybody.
And if you look behind me, this is the west parking lot, as well as our mobile classrooms, 5, 7, 8, along with 19 through 28. Now come with me and we'll go to the Visual Arts building. So we're at the first floor entrance to set on the side of the west lot. Across from here, you'll see the Visual Arts building and our Social Studies mobile classrooms. That will be MC 12 through 18. So come with me for a closer look. These are our Social Studies mobile classrooms. Again, MC 12 through 18. To the right is going to be the mobile classrooms 5, 7, 8, and then 19 through 28. And those are math, science, CTE. These are your social studies classrooms. Come with me and we'll go to Mustang Way. Mustang Way is our road through campus. It connects the Runnymede entrance to our Colony Road entrance that's between the tennis courts and the football stadium. There's a gate in the middle of Mustang Way that prevents drivers from going from the back of campus to the front of campus during the school day. So do not try to drive all the way from Colony Road to Runnymede during the school day because the gate will stop you halfway through. This is our first floor Mustang Way exit from the LA building. And then to my left, you'll see the Performing Arts building. And let's keep going down Mustang Way. This is the entrance to our ROTC program, right off of Mustang Way. You have First Sergeant Foyer and Major Hillebrandt. And if you look to the left, you will see the back steps of this social studies building. Thank you so much for joining me for this tour. And we're here in the quad now to finish up. And just a point of perspective, we have art gallery and cafeteria to the right. Behind me is an auditorium. And then to my left is your set building, visual arts, mobile classrooms, and the LA building. So look forward to seeing everyone on campus soon. Woo!